Angat sa isa. Ang kapanan ng PSG, 9-8, 6 minutes and 5. Taas with the ball. Taas. One step ahead. Denied. Rebound. Para kay Bowak. Nang mama si Bowak dun. Undersizing on that offensive free. Eto na. Takda ng depensa ni Mr. Bowak against Mr. Mamarin. Cross-court pass. Napaka-risky. Denied. 2v2. Here comes the plane. Apak again. Lumalabas na yung trap dito nung kapanan ng JRB. This is where they are known, but we have 5 minutes and 31 remaining. 3-point lead for the PSG. Deep 3 attempt. No. On Mr. Dairit. Pero babalik sa kanyang bola. Sa ilalim naman. Denied dyan. Nakakuha na ni Taas ang rebound dito. Tan on the pass. Apak will reload. No. Rebound. Tan. Fake. And float. Yes, sir. 5 minutes and 5 remaining. Direct on the kick out. Baseline play. Almost 11 na miss. Miscommunication that one. 2v2. Eto na naman. Tan. Unselfish basketball. Pero mintis yan. Nakakuha ni Mamaril ang bola. Mamaril on the gas. And the pass. Deflected once again. Istanyel against his Taas. Almost a loose ball. Recovers in a way. Here comes the cut. Mamaril on the pump. Mamaril still on the end. Strong finish coming from Mr. Mamaril. With two of the defenders coming from the JRB. In front of him. Eto na. Power play. Tayo. Tuloy-tuloy lang tayo. Abanti ng 5 ang kapanan ng Jam Rabies Runner Sports. Yes po. Direct. Denied from behind. Ang bola, nakuha na dito. 10 to shoot. Villarreal, kilala yan, pre. Basic na basic yan para kay Mr. Villarreal. Raymond Tinglasa, happy viewing. Exhibition game po tayo. Apak on the kick out. Ang mahal na konti denied, but there's a contact. And pushing foul. That's Mr. AJ Merciales. Back to Conde, wide open. Too strong pa rin. Istanyel for the re. And the ball went out of bounds. Substitution tayo. Both teams substitution. Bowak out. The 2 in jersey number 4 in. Kuya Mang AJ having his second personal foul will be given the rest by Lazaro. Shoutout sa akin 13 million viewers. Sa akin yun. Ayaw ko sa FBC. Iikot ang bola dito for the team PSG. Lazaro, kababalik lang, kapapasok lang, rather. Wide open na tayo para ka Villarreal, pero nagbintis dyan. Nandito na rin pala, Kuya Mungbong Garcia. Conde denied! But there's a second and last throw. Ara sa YouTube. Substitution tayo, rep. With 3 minutes and 15 remaining, 5 pa rin ang tangang nakalamangan ng kapanan ng JRB Water Sports. Maglalaro sa ilalim dito ang kapanan ng JRB, PSG. Here comes Dairit. Bang! Dairit, jersey number 16, hitting that 3-point play. 2 minutes and 55 remaining. Off the board naman dito, coming from Mr. Taas. Official score 20-16, 2 minutes and 45. Lazaro, guarded by Mr. Garcia. El Veterano. Eto na si Villarreal. 2 minutes and 40. Nano on the kick out. Villarreal uncontested. Too strong. Rebound battle goes to Mr. Datuin. 2 minutes and 30. Transition. El Veterano. Garcia. Napakatalino. Hindi na inabol. Conde. On the ball. Datuin too strong on that one. Here comes the rebound. Looking for a possible transition. Dairit waiting for his teammate. Goes to Nano. Too strong pa rin para kay Mr. Lazaro. Pero nakuha ni Dairit ang bola dito. Kanta ng depensa na binabahagi dyan. Challenge na finally ni Mr. Taas. Si jersey number 01 doon. At ito na nga Taas, nakuha pang bola. One defender to beat. Conde. Yes, sir. Conde Vic skying high on the transition at nakuha pa nga ni Conde ang bola. Conde again! Almost. Ito na si Taas. Yes, sir. Back-to-back basket. Lazaro. With 1 minute and 40 remaining. Back to Villarreal. Villarreal on the pass. Villarreal once again. 1 minute and 35. Lazaro takes the wide open at 10 for 3. Ang tibay ni Mr. Lazaro. 1 minute. Extra pass na boom! Oh, hindi pa rin kumonekta. Libre-libre na sana sa ilalim. Halfway mark on our second quarter. Kick out pass for 3. Air ball. Rebound battle. Nakuha ni Bowak. Bowak on the gas. Extra pass. Jersey number 6. Wala pa rin talaga. Long rally without basket. Finally basket. Time from jersey number 6. Apak with the steal. On that almost a transition. Apo! Yes, sir! 4 minutes and 33 remaining. Back to 6-point lead. With that mini run coming from the Jam Ray Biswater Sports. Sena! Yes, sir! Off the board basket time from Mr. Sena. Tagyam. To Bowak. Bowak on the cross. Tanda ng pagkakatapik dyan. AJ. Extra pass. Sena with the back-to-back basket. Baba na ulit sa dalawa ang kalamangan ng Jam Ray Biswater Sports dito. Shoutout muna sa aking 15 million viewers. Diyan lang kayo mga idol. 4-3. Air ball. Out of bounds. Substitution tayo rep. Bakit ako? Nakaharang po. Ayun, coach, usog daw po. Sino yung nakaharang? Kung may ilapit mo yung live mo, naharangan ka daw. Three minutes and 42 remaining, nakaharang nga talaga. Kita ko dito kumi. 10 to shoot. Tehoso, natapik ang bola. Nakuha dito, ni Tatang. Mr. Cuevas with that steal. Lipat nyo live nyo niya. Sabi niya ako si Netoy. Ayan, sorry daw guys. Sabi ni Kume. Mr. Cuevas, kanta na pasa para kay Bowak. Yes, sir. 3 minutes and 10 remaining. Albert Martinez daw ng koponan ng ano yan. Jam Ray Biswater Sports. Kick out pass with 3 minutes and 5. Almost a steal once again. And totally the ball when out of bounds. With 11 on the shot clock for the team PSG. Under 2 minutes and 55 remaining. 10 to shoot. AJ against jersey number 6. Wala ka to the pass. And that would be Cuevas with the ball. Yung matanda. Gusto apak. Buti nanood pa ako. Bawat nood ko may bayad. Shesh! Ang ganda ng depensa ni Mr. Ben doon. We have a steal. PSG once again on the run. Mr. Ben waiting for his teammate. Goes to Mamaril. Mamaril. Atake na. Denied from behind by Mr. Cuevas back. Tandaan mga idol. 10 remaining. AJ. Ito, hinahanap nila yung mismatch dito. Pero napabayaan sa labas. Pabalik kay Merciales. Merciales ang atake. For a floater kaya from Mr. Merciales. Pero mintis yan. Ganda nung ginagawa ni Mr. Ben dito. Ito namang mamama. Kick out pass. 10 to shoot. Medyo mahina pa rin. Natapik ang bola dito. PSG again. Third time around. Wala pa rin. Ikapat Merciales. Wala pa rin. Nakakuha kung sino yung pinakamaedad na nandun sa loob nakakuha ng bola dito. Tatakbo ngayon ang kapanan ng Jam Rabies. In and out. Put back. Wala pa rin. Bowak on the tip out. Nakakuha ni Apak. 1 minute and 35. 10 to shoot for 3. Bang! Biglang dumistansya dito ang kapanan ng KRB Water Sports with 36-30 as our official score. Under a minute and 20 remaining. Merciales on the kick out. Here comes Tehoso. Well defended by Apak. 1 minute and 15. AJ extra pass. Inside pass. Matigas ang depensa na binahagi ni Bowak. 5 to shoot. Dung 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 dung. Good buzzer beater shot coming from Mr. Merby. Water Sports 36-32. 55 seconds remaining. Apak same spot. Hesitate. 10 to shoot and 43 seconds. AJ with the angle. Here comes the pass. Direct for 3. No. Cuevas batting for the ball. 35 seconds. Nakakatatlo nga. Defensive rebound na pero direct. But that's still, yes sir. Nakakaraming rebound na dito. 30 seconds. Apak. Stop and pass. Bowak on the palm with the pick. Denied from behind. Good ang tawag ni rep. 23 seconds. No. 18 seconds. Backhand for the rebound. 15 seconds. Apak for 3. No. 8 seconds. Rebound ng Duerme. And we have a jump ball.